Hello everyone, Rich here again. In this video I'm going to show you how to insert manual keyword searches into the Google Chrome or Chromium browser, which is what I'm using here. Same thing, more or less. Now if you go to Tools and then Options, you'll notice that on the Basics tab on the left sidebar there's a part that says Search, and you click on Manage Search Engines. And actually I already have this here before, so I'll get rid of it. You would see your search engines here, and I deleted a bunch, but ordinarily you'd see some here. So maybe you want to add one in. But the part that confuses you is where it says URL with %s in place of query, which to most people makes absolutely no sense at all. You might know what URL is, you might know what the it says %s, but in place of query, what does that mean? Well, I'll show you what it means. It's actually really easy once you get used to it. For this example, I will be using Bing image search. So bing.com, click images on the left, and I will search for the term computer for the sake of example. Now don't bother paying attention to what's down here. Look at the address bar. Alright, what we have to do is find the term we searched for, which would be the query. So here it is right here, the word computer. Let me just highlight that. Okay. Now what I should be able to do is replace this with the %s, copy and paste this into that search engine part I showed you a moment ago, and it should work. So I highlighted it, and then I'm going to replace that just by typing right here %s. Okay, this looks really weird, but bear with me. So I'm going to highlight this whole thing, right click, cut, tools, options, basics, manage search engines, and now we're going to add it in. So we need to name this first. This can be any name you want, so I'll type in images. Keyword. This is the keyword that you would use excuse me, in the address bar, which I will just have as BI for Bing images. Easy enough. And then for the URL part, I'll just go ahead and paste that in. And that should be it. It should work at this point. I just clicked outside of it so it would save. And then I will close this and this, and I will type BI followed by a tab. BI. Actually, let me delete that. Tab. Search Bing images. That's what I want. I'll do something else here. Car. And I searched Bing images for car, which is cool. And it worked. If I open up a new tab and I do the same thing, now it should be, if I type BI and a space, it should work too. So BI space, and it does. Okay, search Bing images. Tree. Ta-da, it worked. So let's try this for another site. Let's say for the moment, because I think the Wikipedia is in here by default. Let's just say you removed it. Now I removed all mine, so I just have Scroogle, and I have Bing images. But let's just say you removed Wikipedia by mistake, and you want to put it back. Oh no, what do I do? So we'll do the same thing. Wikipedia.org, English, and there's the search box. So I'll search for the term computer. Now, this one is a little different because the address is a lot shorter, but here is our term we search for as computer. So if I do a %s here and highlight and cut, and the reason I'm showing this is that the address structure is not always the same. So you have to just search for what you searched for and replace that with a %s. That's the whole point. Go to options, manage search engines, and okay, Wikipedia, keyword wiki, and paste that address. Should work. Click outside. Alright, and close, make a new tab, close this, wiki space, okay, tree. It worked. Let's try another one. Wiki space car. And it worked. Alright. That's it. There's really not much more to it. The hardest part is just getting the address part right, where you have to find your term. And you can do this for any site, and that's how you go in the options, and you can manage your engines and put in as many as you want. And that is that. Now, for people using Firefox, it's a whole lot easier, and I've shown this in other videos before. In Firefox, you have to do none of this crap. All you have to do is find any search box and just right click and add a keyword for the search. That's all you have to do there. But Chromium and Chrome, you have to do it the manual way. And so that's it. Have fun.